Hi, Sujata from Bliss Vibes Learning English. Let's talk on small talk. Small talk is a friendly conversation about any topic like sports, weather. That's not so important. Often between people who may not know each other well, or maybe they are meeting for the first time. It can be started with, "Hey, how do you do? How do you do? Hi, how is everything? Pretty good. And you? Not bad." Normally, we make small talk to show our polite interest in places where we need to wait for something, such as at the bus stop, at office lunchroom, at the grocery shop, at doctor's waiting room. If you can't make small talk with new people in a social gathering, spend much time silently, you may feel shy or embarrassed. When someone starts making small conversation, breaking the silence, then you feel relaxed. Usually, students with their teacher, employees with their boss don't make much small talk. But a customer care executive, a receptionist often make small talk with their customer. Some interesting techniques I am going to share which will help you make small talk in any situation. Start small talk with open-ended questions. Mainly, open-ended questions begin with how, why, what, where. They need full answers rather than yes or no. For example, where are you from? What do you do? How often do you come here? Asking open-ended questions improve our feelings of closeness, and there are more chances to keep the conversation continue for a longer time. Listen to others attentively. To move your small talk on a good discussion, you must pay attention to others by making some gesture like nodding your head, turning towards them, showing your smiling face, making eye contact with them. And remember, ask relevant questions. Sometimes asking irrelevant questions may create confusion for both the listener and speaker. Show your interest. If you can start small talk with confidence and right attitude, and if you really want to utilize your chances to learn about other people, your small talk is going to make an amazing discussion. Last but the most important tip I am going to share, that is, keep your devices away. People are too much busy with their mobile phone, laptop, tablet. Keep your devices away to maintain good manners and convey polite interest. Make small talk with the people whether they are known to you or they are new to you. Making small talk will help you to overcome feelings of embarrassment, to build up confidence, to know more about new people, to make friendship with them. And at workplace, you can make your team stronger by using small talk. So keep using small talk and keep watching our channel. Don't forget, like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.